Hello, welcome back to Spot Original. Now I will give you tutorial how to play Nerdle on your phone for Android. And for that, I want to ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the study. First, I want to give you opinion about the Nerdle is. The game is to guess the Nerdle in 6 tries by guessing the word that fill the 8 tiles, and after that you can go to the Chrome to see about the Nerdles. Okay, search in the type of the address about the Nerdle, and after that you can click the Nerdle is and click the install Nerdle. It's free for you. Okay, after that, there is the rule of the Nerdle is the first 3 are X letters. A letter is one of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus and a minus, and after that for this, and after that you can go to the word must be calculating that is mathematically correct, so much have one is the equivalent, and after that the number to like of the equivalent is just to a number. Standard order operating applies to calculate, and before plus and minus. Other method is the answer is 10 plus 20 is 30, then 20 plus 10 is 30. Isn't close enough. Okay, and I think it's enough to how to use or how to play the Nerdle on your phone for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and have fun to do this game. Bye.